Hello 3D printing fans. Sorry I've been gone for so long, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the October UFO filament box. So I wanted to do that. If you notice, I got a friend right here, and we'll go ahead and see, we got friends all over the place here. So we're going to go ahead and open the box today. Oh, let's see what we've got. There we go. Let's go ahead for a full see. There we go. There's our box. Okay. Let's kind of ease this over here a little bit. So let's go ahead and open this up. And let's see here. We've got the UFO Mystery Box October 2019 Alien. Hey everyone, truly sorry for the terrible insert this month. It is 6:14 a.m. as I am writing this. I've been up all night packing the UFOs and matching orders with t-shirt sizes in order to get them out. I am leaving for Earth today. Earth's already over now. Sorry I'm so late. But, so it needs to be done. Please check out your Alien 3D UFO 016 for details about this month's project and accessories and all that jazz. Thank you so much for your patience and support, Josh, Alien 3D. Well, thank you, Josh. And I can see right first off, oh, my little ghosty out of the way here. And yeah, looks like we have Alien 3D shirt. Yeah, that's what I've been wanting. Oh, let's get it up here like this. Now I've got me another shirt. Well, that's a nice shirt. Thank you, Josh. Okay. See, what do we got in here first? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Perfect for Halloween. We have our very own Walter beard. So now that we've got our Walter beard, let's see what we've got here. I bet you that's project parts. Let's put this over here. Okay, we have 3D Passion Cloud Gray PLA. Extrusion temperature is 190C to 210C. Bed temp 0 to 60C. I like this 3D Passion. I've got a lot of their filament, but unfortunately 3D Passion is getting out of the filament business. So let's go on to the next one here. Praline Red PLA. This extrusion temp 195C to 220C. Bed temp 220 to 50C. That's a nice color. Let's see, got that good there. Well, that comes out real good. And this is glow in the dark. Hello 3D. Glow in the dark blue PLA. Extrusion temp 190C to 220C. Bed temp 0 to 60C. Hardened nozzles suggested. Well, that's probably a good idea. But so that's going to be glow in the dark. And our last one is Filament 1. Red Orange Pro Select PLA. Extrusion temp 205 to 225C. Bed temp is 55 to 65C. Yeah. I actually think I have some of this because I got think I've got some of this somewhere. We'll have to look and see. And we have Starburst candy. Okay, and we have Laffy Taffy bonus. Oh, hey, there's more in here. More Starburst. And bottle caps. It's been a while since I had bottle caps. Better stash those for the grandkids. Get a hold of them. Then we have some stickers. Halloween stickers. Filament colors. XYZ. And let's see what else we have in here. Oh, there we go. Another sticker. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. Put this in here. Okay, this is project. Let's see what we've got in this here. Okay. I should know better than that. Oh, I think this is going to actually be our accessory. Nano adhesive. There we go. That is our adhesive. So, nanopolymer adhesive instructions. Okay, it comes with the instructions. I have to try that out. And let's see here. And that is our project right there. Looks like we've got some fiber optic in there. And let's go ahead and take this off. There we go. I figured it's starting to get a little creepy around here. See what we've got up here. That's pretty cool. And then of course we've got, let's go ahead and do this. Get all of these things out of the way. If you're not subscribed to the UFO alien box, I suggest you go and subscribe. Links will be added below. I'll also leave links for this spider here. I found it on Thingiverse. Pretty cool. I like it. Got something good for your Halloween pleasure. Got a skull right there. But the light's kind of got it all washed out, so, but hey, let's see, there feels like there's something else in here. There we go. Ooh, a brush. That'll actually be quite handy. So, let's go put these back in here. I'll also leave some links for this. Let's see, let's get a camera. I'll leave links for all of these models in the below, so that if you want to print some of these out for your Halloween decorations. Also got a little ghost here. So, but if you haven't been subscribed to the Alien 3D box, I'll leave the links below. There's also a discount code there, referral code. Use that. And if you like what we're doing here, appreciate it if you haven't subscribed, subscribe below. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when new ones come out. And I'm going to try and not make it quite so far in between postings. So, happy printing, everyone.